I have made a video on how to repair a broken sound bar. The problem with this music system that I have right now is that when I turn it on, the light comes on and there is no sound. After getting such a complaint, the first thing we need to check is the speakers of this music system. Now that the speakers are all ready, the next thing we need to do is to make sure that the supply is coming to the audio IC. When the supply to the audio IC is ready, the next step is to touch the legs of the audio IC with your fingers. If you do not hear any sound from the speakers at this time, find a small audio board as shown in this video and then connect it to this board.
Varni, power on. Play by USB drive. Varni, power on. Bluetooth mode. Play by USB drive.